Start by adding a circle and change the number of vertices from 32 to 10. Tab in Edit mode and Vertex select the points. Scale until you get the shape you want. Once you're happy with it, press A to select all and F to fill the shape. Go in front view and rotate the star. Now we have to extrude the star until we get enough thickness. It all depends on the type of star you have in mind. Go in Edge Select mode and select the front edges, the back edges, and also the outer ones on the sides. Now let's bevel them. Once you're happy with the shape, shade smooth and add the materials and colors you want. That's it, you made a star.